Welcome back to another quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this quick one I'm going to show you how to change the drill bit on a Ryobi drill. So here we have our Ryobi drill and I want to enter this drill bit. This is a masonry drill bit, however it'll work just the same with any other drill bit. Now there's two ways of entering this. I'm going to show you the first way, which is more safe, and the second way, which is a little more dangerous, however it's a lot quicker. So let's start with the first way. First you want to remove the battery, put that to a side. Now you have your drill and your drill bit, and you want to put it into the chuck. So you want to put it into the chuck. If it doesn't fit, turn it so it loosens it. Then you want to turn it clockwise to tighten the chuck. This end bit here is the chuck. So turn it until you feel a bit of pressure. You should then be stuck in, but you need to give it one final turn. Hold the drill and turn the chuck. Don't turn this bit here. This is the clutch and this is the chuck. You just want to hold the chuck. Hold it, twist it towards you, and then that should be the drill inserted. So we want to put the drill back onto the battery. You want to make sure it runs true. You can see that runs true. Now to loosen it, take out the battery again to be safe. Grab the drill and turn the chuck away from you, like that, and it should loosen so you can take the drill bit out. Now the fastest way is to enter the battery back, put the drill bit into the chuck, and see this button here, press it towards you, hold the chuck, and press the drill like that, and it's now, you can see, running through. So untighten it, press this little button, put it into reverse like that, hold the chuck, slowly press the trigger as you're holding the chuck. There you go. Loose. So in like that, press this trigger so it pops out, hold the chuck. There you go. But remember, if you're doing the second way, make sure you wear some safety gloves. Check it's running through, which it is. So that's two different methods how to change your drill bit on a Ryobi drill. Hopefully this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.